Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X8 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find privacy protection. Then let's tap on special permissions and go to install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome from a specific browser. So I have to find Chrome in this list and tap on it. Then tap on the switcher, and as you can see here we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Now after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content, and of course it works the same for all other apps that are listed right here. If you want to, of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.